Highway 401 is one of the largest and most important highways in Canada, playing a crucial role in transportation and connecting cities and regions. History. Construction of Highway 401 began in the 1950s and developed over time. Recognized as a vital link between provinces and cities, this highway plays a significant role in connecting the west and east of Canada. Complexity and dimensions. Highway 401 is configured as a 6-lane freeway with 3 lanes of transportation on each side. A combination of freeway sections, bridges, tunnels, and intricate interchanges make this highway one of the most complex transportation networks in Canada. Cargo transport and economy. Highway 401 is part of a major international transportation route, significantly impacting Canada's exports and imports. The highway holds great importance for the transportation of goods between cities and various regions, contributing to the economic prosperity of the areas it influences. Traffic and challenges. During peak hours, Highway 401 experiences heavy traffic, sometimes leading to substantial delays. Measures such as development projects and improvements have been implemented to address these challenges, serving as crucial solutions. Travelers and tourism. Highway 401 serves as a primary route for long-distance travel between cities and provinces. Many tourists utilize this highway for their journeys towards tourist destinations. Future projects. Several future projects aim to improve traffic conditions and enhance safety on Highway 401. These projects focus on improving infrastructure, increasing capacity, and optimizing the use of modern transportation technologies.